In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Evernote files. With everything being digital these days, knowing how to back up your important notes can bring peace of mind, ensuring you don't lose your valuable information. Whether you're saving crucial project details, your favorite recipes, or cherished journal entries, having a backup keeps your information safe, so let's get started. First, make sure you're at your computer, because backing up your Evernote files can only be done through the desktop application. Unfortunately, this process isn't possible through the web or mobile app versions, so grab your laptop or desktop for this task. Once you're all set, open the Evernote desktop application. Now that you're in, you need to decide whether you want to back up a single note, multiple notes, or an entire notebook. You can click on a single note, hold down the Control key or Command key for Mac users to select multiple notes, or simply select a whole notebook if that's your preference. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and right-click on them. A handy menu should pop up right away. From the Options menu, you'll want to choose Export. This will open the Export Options window and present you with some choices for how you'd like to save your notes. Here, you'll have to decide on the format that's best for your needs. If you're aiming for a comprehensive backup, including all metadata and additional details, I recommend choosing the Emacs format, also known as Evernote XML. This format is great for full metadata backup and ensures interoperability with other systems, should you need it in the future. Alternatively, if you're looking for a way to have easy viewing access to your notes outside of Evernote, perhaps for sharing or quick reading through a browser, the HTML option might be for you. This format is particularly useful if you regularly need to display your notes in a visual format that's easily accessible to others. After selecting your desired format, look for options like including tags or created dates in your exported file. You can choose what additional data you want to accompany your notes based on what you feel is necessary for your backup. Finally, choose a destination folder where you'd like these notes to be saved. Be thoughtful about where you store them. It should be somewhere you can easily find, such as a dedicated backup folder on your desktop or a specific folder within your documents. Once you've selected a location, click Save. And there you have it. Your Evernote files are now backed up. Keeping a regular backup of your notes allows you to have a safe copy stored away, reducing anxiety over unexpected data loss. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on managing your digital life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those notes safe.